Bakemas Day 6. Another cookie mix. This time it's a white chocolate cranberry one. Per usual, you will want a quart-sized jar or plastic container, washed and dried. To start, we will need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, to which we'll add a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And we'll whisk that together. And then if you have a canning funnel, great. If not, you can use one made of parchment paper, or I have aluminum foil. And we're going to spoon our flour mixture into the bottom of our jar. And I'm gonna take my 1/4 cup measuring spoon and pack my flour down. A lot of air can get into our flour, so we're just making room for the rest of our ingredients. And even so, I'm gonna give my jar a little shake just to even out the layers so that our cookie mix has nice pretty layers. All right, on top of our flour mixture, we're going to add a 1/2 cup of packed brown sugar. It can be light brown sugar, it can be dark brown sugar, whatever you have, whatever you like to use. Again, I'm going to pack the brown sugar down. On top of our brown sugar, we're going to put a 1/2 cup of white sugar. And I'm going to give that a little bit of a pack down. Okay, I give it a good pack down and then a shake to even out its layer because we still have 3 more ingredients to add on. So, the first ingredient, a 1/2 cup of dried cranberries. Level out that layer. Spread them all around the top of your jar. Next up, we need a 1/2 cup of pistachios. So shell them. If you can buy them shelled, even better. But these are dry roasted and salted, and we need to give them a little bit of a chop. I think I basically just want my pistachios at least cut in half. I think I'm okay with this. It's gonna be a pretty chunky cookie. So I'm gonna funnel my chopped nuts right in there. Shake them down. Level out that layer. And lastly, a 1/2 cup of white chocolate chips. Filled to the brim. For me, my jar is slightly smaller than a quart. Check that out. Look at all those fun layers. So pop your lid on. And on day 6, I'm going to be using the last of my gift tags off of my 6-pack from the Dollar Tree. Then I have a little bow to pop on top. And there you have it. So this recipe is from the Domestic Geek. I will link her video down below, and I will include the instructions for how to make the mix in a jar, along with the instructions that you will need to give your gift recipient so that they'll be able to make these. So you can go ahead and print that out and just tape it right onto your jar. If you like today's Bakemas episode, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell so that you're notified when the rest of Bakemas 2022 goes live. And if you haven't seen the first 5 episodes of Bakemas 2022, go ahead and check those out. Click here right on the screen, and I will see you guys there.